जो आपसे लड़ रहा है उसकी शक्ति को आप अपनी कैसे बना सकते हो। जैसे आरएसएस आप पर आक्रमण करता है और वो पूरा अपनी एनर्जी डालता है, तो उस एनर्जी को आप कैसे उनके हाथ से लेकर अपनी बना सकते हो। तो ये प्रिंसिपल डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करने के लिए मैंने इनको कहा था, तो अभी मैं आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कर देता हूँ। हाँ या कम बैठ जाओ, इस पे बैठ जाओ। नाउ आप रोकने की कोशिश करो, ठीक है। Can't be done. Now I'm going to tell him how to position himself to take the other person's energy from them. Okay? So open your legs out and now sit down. Okay? Now what I want you to do is, I want you to, instead of keeping it like this, I want you to bend it like this. Yeah. Now lift your head. Yeah. You come. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to put your hand on your shoulder. Now what you have to do, remember, you have to push the hands up. That's the most important thing. Okay. Now you start pressing and you look up and you push up. Look up and with this, push up with both these. Okay? लगाओ, आप 3 लग जाओ. Okay, go. What is going on?
Oh my God! So much of energy and
push. How did that feel? For a strange reason,
I could not feel the power at all.
exactly, because you took it all.
Yes.
That's what I do to the BJP.
क्या बात है.